conversation between two friends after brother-in-law's family trip to India. What are you doing, Juliet?
I was cooking.
Cooking done?
Yes.
I heard that Joseph and his family have come from London.
Yes. But today they left, in the morning.
What? I specially came to meet them. On which date did they come to India?
They came to India on the 3rd of July.
But today is the 20th? Why did they leave so soon?
They only had 3 weeks of holidays.
Maybe kids didn't have more holidays.
The kids had 8 weeks of holidays, but Joseph had only 3 weeks of holiday.
Oh. But why didn't you call me when they were here?
You know that 15 days pass quickly, so didn't get time to call.
After how many years did your brother-in-law, his family, come to India?
They came after 5 years.
Oh. I have not seen Joseph since he moved to London. His children must have grown up too?
Yes. His eldest daughter is 13 years old. His second daughter is 10 years old. His younger son is 8 years old.
Wow. Glad to hear that. Why didn't you bring them to my house?
As long as they stayed here, the rain didn't stop. Because of rain, we didn't go out anywhere. His children were afraid of mosquitoes and flies.
What? There are always flies and mosquitoes in the rainy season in India.
You were right. When we had gone shopping, there was mud due to rain, so the children were hesitant to even walk.
But you went to your maternal home, didn't you?
Yes. But when I came to know that my brother-in-law and his family are coming to India, I came back to here.
But why? You were about to stay there.
Yes. But I wanted all the children to be together. They were going to meet my son for the first time too.
You did right. Did your sister also come?
Yes. She also came, and went on the same date.
Didn't you meet your sister?
I met her.
Now, I am getting late. Let me go.
Bye, Kate.
Bye, Juliet.